Hey, what's up, guys? I am here in this video to do a review on my Guoguan yuexiao Rubik's Cube and how to make it better, because some people say that it is fast, but I don't think so. But I'm gonna make this channel mainly for speed cubing. But yeah, so this is my new main. It's really good, and just saying, I have a lot more cubes, so I choose this. I have the Valk, this Valk M, I magnetize it myself. It feels really good, but I don't know why I just prefer this one here. It just feels better. I don't know, I just like it better, although this feels also kind of nice. This has magnets in it, so you can see the turns. Let's just show you one of the pieces to prove that it does have magnets in it here. What? I don't know, what makes this really better. I don't know, it just feels really a lot more stable, and some people say that it locks up, but for me, no, it does not lock up at all. Corner cutting, let me show you here. It cuts at every angle. If it doesn't go one way, it'll go the other. So it's really good. And how I lubricate it is, maybe really not a lot of people do it this way. What I do is I lube it once, the whole thing, with one type of lube, which is the TM lube. Yeah, I lube the whole thing, and after I lube the whole thing with the same lube, I use it for 1 day, and break it in with little salt, with some salts, and after that I loop the core again the next day with the same loop, and it will feel really fast first, but after that it feels, after you break it in again, it feels really good. I'm not I don't solve cubes too far, really fast. I'm not like a 10-second solver or something like that. So, but I know that this cube is really for me, and what type of people should get this cube? If you're asking what type of people, I think this feels a little bit, let's just say a little bit like the Tang Long. A little bit, not a lot, just at the turning. A little bit, yeah, the turning is not 100%, it's just 10% of the feeling. I've not tested a lot of cube, and I hope I get sponsored by some companies so I can test cubes for them, for some speed cube shop or cubicle or something like that. The cubicle.us. What cubes I have is the Oolong, the Oolong, Danglong, Fengshi, Shuangren, the Valk, and this cube. And this cube, let me just say some things that you might not like. some flaws. The only bad thing is like I had one corner twist before and it's like just twisted. But then after, number two is, although I looped it, maybe the loop is like too low for velocity, I don't know, but there's some spring noises. There's some like spring noises, you can hear it. But I don't think that's the case of the loop, because you can listen to this one here. This is my valve. I looped it almost the same way, like the same way, and you don't hear anything. Although there are some spring noise, I still use this tube as my main. It's really stable, that's why I'm using this, and lockups really don't really happen. Might happen a few times, but don't happen. Corner cutting is really good. As I said, cut at every angle. But it does not always mean that lockups don't occur, but this one, yeah, luckily for this one, it does. Guoguan is my main, and anybody looking for a new main should try this tube. Give this tube a try. Even if you're a beginner, still use this tube. It's at an affordable price for people to use it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment any questions, and yeah, peace out.